Hi everybody, welcome to AS Engineering Academy and AS Online. Here is an important recruitment notification for diploma students in NPCIL dear students, that is Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. To see this notification, you have to go for https://npcilcareers.co.in/main site n/default.aspx. So in this you can see the careers page. So in the careers you can go through recruitment of scientific assistant, stipendiary trainee, paramedical and non-technical posts at TAPS site. Okay, so that is what is given here. Let us go through the notification. So in this notification, so Hindi as well as English notification is given. If you want to go through the English notification from page 21, it is available. So opening date for submission of online application 15th January 2026 at 10 hours. Then closing date for submission of online application 4th February 2026 at 4 hours. So 4 p.m. Then payment of application fee 4th February 2026 up to 4 p.m. That is what is given. Okay, so coming to details of vacancy breakup. So scientific assistant B civil. So backlog vacancies and current vacancies together, total 2 vacancies are there. Stipendiary trainee scientific assistant, total 12 vacancies are there. Stipendiary trainee technician, 83 vacancies are there. X-ray technician, 2 vacancies are there. Then assistant grade 1 HR, 6 vacancies are there. Assistant grade 1 finance and accounts, so you can see 5 vacancies are there. Assistant grade 1 C and MM, 4 vacancies are there. Then here you can see another thing here, scientific assistant B civil, 2 vacancies are there. Stipendiary trainee scientific assistant mechanical, instrumentation, electrical, health physics and electronics. So together you have 14 vacancies dear students, and breakup of each branch related vacancies are given. Then stipendiary trainee technician, plant operator, electronic mechanic, machinist, fitter, turner, instrument mechanic, mason, all these together 83 vacancies are there. So you can go through this vacancies breakdown here. So clearly they have mentioned all the different kinds of groups related information and what are the eligibility criterias, everything is given. Go through this information carefully. Then let us go for the essential qualifications. Then category 1 stipendiary trainee ST/SA diploma holders in engineering. So diploma in engineering with not less than 60% marks in relevant discipline recognized by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. The diploma in engineering should be of 3 years duration after SSC or HSC, that is 10+2 he has given. So 2 years diploma in engineering in equivalent discipline through lateral entry to second year after HSC approved by AICTE with not less than 60% marks. Should have had English as one of the subjects either at SSC or at HSC level examination, that is what he has given. Candidates who have pursued diploma through lateral entry to second year diploma after 10th SSC plus ITI are not eligible. So this is what is the information given dear students. After HSC 10+2 only eligible, with ITI you are not eligible for these posts, that is what is given here. For mechanical, diploma in mechanical engineering, diploma in production engineering, diploma in automobile engineering. Instrumentation, diploma in instrumentation, diploma in instrumentation and control. Electrical, diploma in electrical engineering. For electronics, he has given different criteria: diploma in electronics or digital electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and computers, industrial electronics, diploma in electronics and communication. Then scientific assistant B civil. So here also diploma is required. Diploma in civil engineering, diploma in civil and rural engineering is required. Then stipendiary trainee scientific assistant. So here BSc with minimum 60% marks. BSc shall be with physics as principal and chemistry, mathematics, statistics, these are secondary, that is what is given here. So stipendiary trainee maintainer, fitter, turner, instrument mechanic, machinist, electronic mechanic, mason, SSC with 50% marks in science subjects and mathematics individually plus 2 years ITI certificate in relevant grade. So this is required for stipendiary trainee dear students. So go through this information carefully, and various trades related information for ITI is given here. So against the notification, you can observe carefully all the related details. Okay. Now, candidates must have already passed the qualifying examination as on the last date of submission of application, that is 4th February 2026. So, final year students are not eligible. They should have completed their degree or a diploma or ITI by 4th February 2026. That is what is given. So, here, so during training, how much stipend they are providing for stipendary trainee or scientific assistant diploma holders is 24,000 per month for first year, 26,000 per month for the next 6 months, and 3,000 rupees books allowance is given here. Then stipendary trainee maintainer and stipendary trainee operators, 20,000 per month in the first year and 22,000 per month for second year, and 3,000 books allowance is given. So duration of training for the first one is 18 months and for the second one is 24 months. So that is what is given here. So age limit and pay. So age limit, lower age limit is 18 years and upper age limit is 25 years for stipendary trainee, scientific assistant, diploma holders. Then scientific assistant B, 18 years and upper age limit is 30 years as on 4th February 2026. And here pay in pay matrix as per 7th CPC revised pay. So here 35,400 is there as per 7th pay commission. So kindly go through this information also carefully, dear students. Okay. Then all the other allowances related information is also given. Then age relaxation related information for various categories is given here. So kindly go through all the information before applying, dear students. Okay. So related to certificates and everything, that will be available in the website. You can go through that. OBC certificate, EWS certificate, all the required prescribed formats are available. Candidates selected against this advertisement will be posted at Tarapur, Maharashtra site NPCIL. However, they are liable to serve in any part of India and transfer to other unit sites, headquarters of NPCIL as may be required in corporation interest. So that is what he has given, dear students. So selection procedure. So you can see stipendary trainee, scientific assistant will be through online test and personal interview, and stipendary trainee, operator and maintainer, online test will be computer based test. Okay. So preliminary test and advanced test will be there for these categories: assistant grade 1 HR and stipendary trainee, operator and maintainer. So X-ray technician also preliminary test, advanced test and skill test. All these three will be there, dear students. So detailed selection procedure he has given. So for the posts of stipendary trainee, scientific assistant category 1 and scientific assistant B civil. So total 50 multiple choice questions with choice of 4 answers, duration 1.5 hours will be there. Syllabus questions pertaining to respective discipline, subject knowledge will be there. Okay. So maximum marks are 100 marks. 2 marks will be given for the correct answer and 0.5 marks will be the negative marking for incorrect answer. That is what he has given. So qualifying marks will be 40% for unreserved category and 30% for all the other categories. Shortlisting for personal interview. The number of candidates shortlisted for personal interview would depend upon the number of candidates qualifying for personal interview, but will not exceed 5 times the number of vacancies. Okay. Personal interview is for 100 marks. Language for personal interview, so will be Hindi or English, dear students, and here also qualifying is 40% and the final selection will be given for online test plus interview 50-50 weightage. So that is what is the information given in this particular thing. So kindly go through all the details, dear students, and then go for applying. So as you have seen, the online application form, so start date and last date already I have shown you at the beginning, dear students. So kindly go through that information carefully. Okay, right? So thank you, all the very best.